Hey, food enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into a dish that's the epitome of comfort food, the Honey BBQ Crispy Chicken Rice Bowl. This bowl is a blend of sweet and savory goodness with a delightful crispy twist. I'm your QuirkyQuest, and I'm excited to guide you through this recipe that will leave your taste buds dancing. But before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. 2 chicken breast bashed to 4 cm thick. Salt and pepper, to taste. 1 tsp of smoked paprika. 2 eggs beaten in a bowl. 60 g of corn flakes. 120 g jasmine rice, to serve. A handful of tender stem broccoli sliced but left chunky or asparagus. Sesame seeds, to garnish. 2 spring onion, to garnish. Honey BBQ sauce ingredients. 1 1/2 tablespoon BBQ sauce. 1 tablespoon honey. 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar. 2 tsp of sriracha. 1 tsp of garlic granules. Half a teaspoon of corn flour, mixed with half a tablespoon of cold water to make a slurry. Preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large saucepan of water to the boil and cook jasmine rice according to packet instructions. Season the chicken breast with salt, pepper and smoked paprika. Coat the chicken breast in the flour, dip in the egg wash and coat all over in corn flakes. Transfer to a lined baking tray, spray with some cooking spray and bake for 20-25 minutes, until crispy all over. In a small bowl, mix together the Honey BBQ sauce ingredients, 1 1/2 tablespoon BBQ sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar, 2 tsp of sriracha, 1 tsp of garlic granules, except for the corn flour. Heat a pan with a splash of oil, on high heat and add the broccoli or asparagus, fry for 2-4 minutes until charred. Once the chicken is baked, heat the Honey BBQ sauce in a small pan, on medium heat, for 2 minutes, then mix in the corn flour. Once the sauce starts to thicken and bubble, remove the pan from heat and add the crispy chicken breasts to the sauce. Toss to coat the chicken breast all over in the sauce. Serve the chicken breast on the jasmine rice with the charred broccoli or asparagus. Thinly slice the spring onion and use it to garnish the chicken breast with sesame seeds. And there you have it, folks. Your Honey BBQ crispy chicken rice bowl is ready to be devoured. It's a perfect blend of sweet, savory, and crispy, all in one comforting bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy your meal, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!